Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a pair of 200 watt rigid solar panels, these 195 watt bifacial panels from EcoWorthy might be the ones that you're looking for. Let's go ahead and check them out. All right, first with the dimensions of these panels. They are 58.86 inches in length and they're 26.18 inches across. And they weigh in right at around 23.15 pounds. And if you're worried about the thickness, they are 1.37 inches thick. When it comes to the short circuit voltage and the open circuit amperage, they are 21.2 volts, give or take 3%, with a short circuit current of 11.6 amps, give or take 3%. When it comes to the max power voltage, it is 18.3 volts, and the max power current is 10.9 amps, again, give or take 3%. These panels can handle a series configuration up to 1,000 volts, and you do want to use a 15 amp fuse when wiring them to your system. And since these panels, they operate at around 20 volts or so, if I put them in series, that multiplies the voltage by 2 or adds them together. And so that's around 40 volts. So that would be perfectly safe to connect to this Dobson power station right here, which can handle more than 40 volts. So I'm going to go ahead and connect these up into series and connect it to this Dobson to see what kind of power we get on this beautiful March day. All right, with these panels connected in series, we are getting 262 watts currently from these panels. And now, I didn't adjust the angle or anything like that. I just set them up. And again, it's being March outside. We're not getting prime sun. But let's go ahead and try to angle them a little differently and see if we get a little bit more. All right, well, I angled them quite a bit differently. And we're still getting, well, there we go, it's back up to 258 watts. But with two 200 watt panels, we should be able to get more than that. And it looks like we're maxing out at around 262 watts. And actually, let me go grab my my multimeter, and we'll go ahead and measure the amperage and the voltage of these panels connected in series and see what we can calculate without a power station. All right, as you can see, these panels are connected in series right here, and the connection to the power station is right here. So let's go ahead and disconnect these. What I want to see is what the voltage is right at the MC4 connections, and then I'll connect them together to get the maximum amperage, and we'll multiply those together to see what kind of wattage we're actually getting. All right, for the voltage, we are getting 41.95 volts. And now let's go ahead and connect them together and test the amperage. And the amperage is 12.41. So if you multiply 41.95 volts times 12.41 amps, you get 520.59 watts. That's what we're pulling from these panels when we connect them at its highest ratings. So there is absolutely no question on whether these can handle 200 watts. So if you're looking at a 200 watt replacement and you see that these can only do 195 watts, think again, they can go way over that. So if you have any questions about these EcoWorthy 18 bus bar 195 watt bifacial panels, please go ahead and leave them in the comments. I'll have a link to this item in my description just in case you want to look further into it. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.